The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. And the question isn't whether you'll use AI, it's whether you'll lead with it or be left behind. Introducing the ZentrixSys-AI Training Program 2026 edition. 4 powerful tracks, from absolute beginner to enterprise architect. Pick your path. 6 months for complete beginners who want to go from zero to AI hero. 3 months for professionals ready to accelerate. 1 month for those who want to dive deep, fast. And 15 days for experts ready to master enterprise AI. From Python fundamentals to fine-tuning large language models. From ChatGPT to building your own AI agents. From learning to earning with dedicated placement support. 8 power-packed modules. 3-5 plus cutting-edge tools. 70% hands-on labs. Real projects, real skills. Online and offline batches available. Starting at just 15,000 rupees. Get certified, get placed. Get ahead. Your AI career starts today. Message us on WhatsApp 9566506397 or email zentrixsys@gmail.com. ZentrixSys, empowering minds. Engineering the future with AI.